Screen Extender Mode turns ScreenPad into a powerful multitasking partner. You can extend your laptop screen onto ScreenPad, giving you a dual display in one device. Use it to keep an eye on your social media or email, or as a handy preview screen. The possibilities are endless. Simply press F6 to switch between ScreenPad, Touchpad, and Extender modes. Once you switch to Extender mode, ScreenPad will show the same wallpaper as on your main screen. In Extender mode, you can freely drag any windows from the main screen onto ScreenPad. You can use ScreenPad as a second screen to browse web pages, watch videos, or whatever you like. ScreenPad still works as a touchpad when you're watching a video, so your workflow's not interrupted. Explore the ways you can use the extended screen. Your imagination is the only limit. Useful smart tools are available when you're using Extender mode on ScreenPad. A fast window switch function helps you move windows from the main screen onto ScreenPad automatically. This cool shortcut lets you rearrange windows more efficiently to suit your needs. There are two convenient ways to interact with the content on the extended display. The first is to use the cursor just like you would do with an external monitor on your laptop. In this way, you can move the cursor around, scroll, or scale windows just as you would on the main screen. Alternatively, you can control the cursor using the mouse for more precise operation. The second way is to turn ScreenPad into a pure touchscreen and interact with the screen using only finger control. This is the most intuitive method to interact with the content on ScreenPad. When you're dealing with the extended display on ScreenPad, please note that ScreenPad is a 5.5-inch Full HD touchscreen. Asus has already optimized the display and resolution settings for use as an extended screen. First, you'll notice that the ScreenPad screen is positioned below the main screen, so using it is more intuitive. When you drag anything from the main touchscreen towards the bottom of the screen, it will appear on your ScreenPad. The content on ScreenPad may look quite small if you use the default Full HD resolution. Asus has changed the display settings to make text and items larger, so everything looks better and it's easier to use. If you need to use other ScreenPad apps or functions, you can switch back to ScreenPad mode at any time by pressing the F6 key.